orthopedic surgery is aimed at repairing a joint or bone. This form of surgery is prescribed for complex fracture repair, to restore function and stability in an injured knee joint, to ease pain and improve range of motion in a hip joint, or to relieve severe spinal pain. While some fractures are simple and clean enough to heal with only a cast, others may feature splintered or dislocated bone pieces that must be reconnected through surgery. The most effective surgical treatment for hip dysplasia in dogs is a total hip replacement. This returns a hip function to a more normal range and eliminating most of the discomfort associated with hip dysplasia. Spinal surgery can relieve painful spinal conditions such as a bulging disc or osteoarthritis. It may also fuse adjacent vertebrae to eliminate osteoarthritis pain. If your pet is moving slower or just doesn't seem right, a general practicing vet will be able to determine what kind of surgery is needed. Like and follow our page for more 5 Qs. Are you looking for an answer to a specific question? Share your comments below.